Hey everybody, it's Derek from Teradek, and today I'm going to show you what you can do with the Jetpack monitor. First, I'm going to show you how to remove it and reinstall it into the Jetpack itself. So on this right-hand side here, there is a latch, and all we need to do is push up on the latch and push up on the monitor, and the monitor will slide out with the cable that's in the bag. So we extend this cable a little bit out here, and first of all, I'm going to attach this to my ENG camera here as a confidence monitor. So what I want to do is turn this around, use the 1/4-20 on the bottom against this ultra arm, and now I have confidence monitoring of this camera directly on the camera itself with the bag off camera on a C-stand. Now that I have it mounted to my ENG camera, my talent wants to see what's on the program feed. So I'm going to turn this around very easily and select return feed at the bottom. And now we're receiving through a decoder in the system any feed that you want to send it from program to teleprompter from your control station. One thing to note is this monitor gets power video through one single cable and is only compatible with this system itself. Does not contain an SDI or an HDMI input on the monitor itself. And to replace the monitor, slide it over the pins and slide it down until it locks. So the Jetpack system is also outfitted with a loop in the back made to fit a baby pin off of a C-stand. So you can mount this directly to a C-stand and use it as a production monitor inside the bag. Also, while it's mounted to a C-stand, you can use the SDI and HDMI outputs to attach to external monitors to monitor any return feeds or confidence monitoring external from the backpack. For more information on the Prism Jetpack, please visit teradek.com/jetpack or send us an email at live@teradek.com.